Good day. In this video I will show you of my X450, what I did to modify to put as a FPV RC plane. So just a basic thing that show you this is the remote that have been modified, especially on the earlier video I have upgraded this using a LiPo. This is a JST plug, JST pad. So it power up using a LiPo. See, this without battery. So when I need, just plug with the LiPo battery, and here goes. Okay. Right. On top of that, I've installed this bracket mounting to mount the FPV monitor, and this is taken from the Cyma XF package. Okay, so I'm using a screw and nut just to mount it. Okay, and I'm using a Hawkeye Pilot 5, right? So this is, how is it? This is the mount, as you can see. Okay, now this is the plane. You see there's a slot here, empty slot. So I'll put it each in TX5, supposedly to put here, and I have cut just a small gap, a hole here, and also here, just to put the cable in. So I'm using a tape. So what we do is just stick it on. By the way, this camera we operate using a 1S LiPo battery, which is 3.7 voltage. Okay, so we just put it on the center. Say this. Now, I'm using a 3.7 1S battery, 400 mAh. It can last more than 1 hour. Okay, so I just put the battery over here. Then I just put this battery, and here we go. There you are. See this FPV. Look. So we can actually plug the battery. And still we can close it. Okay. So we have FPV over here. Stay tuned, I will show you the video, our maiden flight, the FPV. Thank you for watching.